Is this thing working? Is this thing working? Hold up. Hold up. I gotta check if it's working. Test, test. Oh, it's definitely working. It is definitely working. Alright. I upgraded the quality. I upgraded the quality of the video. I'm just kidding. It's a lot worse. I'm on my laptop. Cause why not? I didn't feel like using my computer, so. Alright, look, check this out. There's a few benefits to having this horrible laptop. Alright, benefit number 1. Couldn't do that on the better computer, because this microphone is so bad. It's I can just blow into it. Sounds like a hurricane. I think that's funny. That is so funny. All right, the background. All right, we got Tenet. Okay, Tenet. Look at that. It's beautiful. Okay, let's go. Oh, I didn't do this thing. I didn't do the chat. How am I gonna do all this? I didn't even set up the chat properly. Let's set it up. Alright, hold up. Test. Look at that. Ah, it's working. It's actually working. Alright, well. Yeah, you know what it is, bro. We're back. We're back on, I should pause that. Okay. We're back. I set up like a little thingy here. Wait, let's see if it works, cause I'm not. Oh, I think it does. It does work, right? All right, let's do a WASM thing, shall we? Shall we do? Oh, look at that. We do have it working. Okay. I am on Firefox now, so I don't know if that's gonna affect things or not. I don't truly know, but I'm gonna see if it works by editing something and then seeing if it works. I'm gonna say still looking. There we go. Let's say still looking. So inject build. Okay. Yep. Alright, it definitely works. Okay, it still works. Okay, so what I was doing last time was, oh yeah, let me write down some stuff. Here I changed the script here to, yep, so it could work. Yeah, let's just see that. What? Okay, it's more portable now. That's what that means, I think. Okay. So last time. Oh, I forgot. Last time I had all. I had all of the. Let me check out the stream, by the way. Is it looking glorious? Let me see. I think it's looking glorious. Yeah, it's pretty glorious. Alright. The chat is. I should probably put this on the left, right? Yeah, because the chat was blocking the console. Okay. So. I'm gonna need to do a few things. First thing is, let me put my chair down, because I already feel it, dude. My back is gonna go crazy. Okay, where's the, what was I doing? Oh yeah, okay, so here I did the chat packets. Oh, I don't think I uploaded that information. Bro, it's actually on my other computer. It's actually on my other computer. Oh my god. Well, I have this to look at. Let's see, I have 255, 240s, 237. Oh, you know what? I don't have a calculator. Is that a thing? Does Linux even like have a calculator, bro? That's crazy. What the heck, dude? Okay, let's just search that up. Calculator app, is that KCalc, right? Can I do that? KCalc? Can I install it? It does everything it does and more. That's crazy. Alright, I'm gonna install KCalc because KCalc, huh? Alright, let's just put that in there. Packages.kcalc. Nix. Jesus, bro. Okay. Next, let's rebuild. Please have KCalc by the end of this. They said to use this instead, so like, okay, I guess I will. Please work. Please, please. I'm about to go crazy with it, motherfucker. Okay, this is the spinner. Okay, you spin it. This is the freaking clanker, bro. The clanker. Okay, I'm not gonna use the clanker. It's not as cool. It's not as cool. This is pretty good to spin, though. Let me see. Yeah, alright, KCalc. Ooh, we do have it. Look at that. I want program mode. The heck? Electromagnetism. What the schlibbity? What the schlibbity, bro? What the extra schlibbity? You know, that's great. There's a history. Alright, let's do a little test. Let's do one. What the heck? God damn it. Let's do 237. Ooh, look at that. It tells me in binary. Wait, can I copy the binary? This is even better than whatchamacallit, the Windows. I'm just saying that because this is Linux and I'm obligated to. You know what, actually? I think the Windows calculator is open source on GitHub. I think, yeah, they open sourced it quite a while ago. When did they do this? You know, people have forked this. It's just a calculator. I mean, why do you gotta open source this thing, dude? Look, I'm just hating on Microsoft, bro, because I feel like Microsoft is predatory when it comes to open source. So I don't like it, you know, how there's so many contributors to it, but that's okay. I mean, Yeah, it's alright. It's alright. I want to check it out though. Infinite precision. What the? Of course it uses Bing. Who the heck uses Bing? I don't know. I don't even want to open Bing, dude. It's a straight up virus, dude. It's a goddamn virus. Look at this. Really? You need Microsoft is turning into Apple with the freaking development, dude. You need Windows 11 on this build or newer to help develop a calculator app. That's not cool. That's not very open source of you, Microsoft. That's not very free software of you, Microsoft. Let me look at the license. I'm actually curious. Is there a license on this? Oh yeah, there's a license here. MIT? Which one was that? I forgot. Permissive. Yeah. So as long as you copy it, the license. Excuse me. 7 years ago. I still remember it. When they did security. God damn. Security in the calculator app. Jesus, dude. I don't even know what's going on here. Who is working on the calculator app? That's crazy. Security on the calculator app. Can I just say that's kind of crazy? I mean, what the hell is that? I was gonna say, it is good to have security, but what's going on there? Code of conduct. I just want to look at the issues here. What's going on? What is going on here? Migrate to C#. 2019. Is that still open? Okay. I mean, it's 2025. I don't... Yeah. Wait, what? What did he say? I know C++, but would never consider this language for UI development. This ship has sailed around the year 2000. On the other hand, if they would pay me a huge salary to develop UI apps in C++, I'd seriously consider it. Then he would say no? Damn, bro, that's a blow. This is their first issue. Who is this? Bro, he's gonna tell a human about it. That's good to hear. Is there any... Wait, people are actually working on this? What the heck? Uno? Wait, what? They already ported it? They already ported it. So why... Oh my god, it's the actual calculator. It's the same one. Wow, that's a good sponsor for their Uno platform. That's cool. Dude, I'm about to sneeze. Jesus, bro. 2020. Deleted. This is crazy, bro. Calculator, bro. Whatever. Alright. Let's go back to business. Let's get back to business. So 237. So it's 3 1s. 1101. So we have 1 1. 15. Does this convert? No, it doesn't. How do we convert from this to... Can we, like, go to decimal? Which is right here, actually. Decimal. Is there, like, a button? I would like to switch, like... I don't know. Oh my, bit edit. Yes. That's awesome. That is awesome. Okay, we have... can I make this larger, actually? I might want this to be larger. Let's do, 18? Did that do anything? I don't know if it did anything. Group digits. Let's do 8 for binary. Come on. Show result and window title. Yeah, why not? Alright, let's do 14. Is that gonna... Okay, good. That's pretty good. Okay. When do we do this? I'm having fun. Okay. Okay, so... Bro, I gotta do more searching. Okay, let's parse a broadcast packet, I think it was. So let's do that. So let's go here. And I hope there's not too many players. Wow, it's taking a while. Is it working? Hello? I don't know if it's working. Okay, so we got that, and let's do this. Oh, it's the code. It's the code. All right, let's copy all messages, and let's put this. Please. Okay. Oh my, look at this. Get the freak out of here. Get the freak out of here. Oh. Hold up. How do I... Can I put a new line? Can I make it replace the new line as well? Can I do that? Boom. New line. I don't think, whatever. What flipping ever. What flipping ever. Alright, so we don't need... okay. Alright. Let me check the old stream. Come on. Come on. Give me my stream. Okay, it looks pretty good. Okay. So yeah, function call. Oh, it's laggy. Shouldn't be laggy. Come on now. Come on now. So I want to remove all these spaces, bro. Kidding me? Is there? Oh. Okay. Let's find this new line. Boop. Oh. Oh. There's no... Can I do this? Come on, give me my regular expression. Give me my regular expression. Oh my god. What the heck, dude? carriage return? Is that what it is? R? None of those. Why does it match this one but not this one? Oh my god, what is this? What the heck is this? Is it RM? Oh, let's do capital R. That could be it. R. Dude. What do you mean? Oh my god, what? Dude. What? Oh my god, dude. So I have to put it. What? Regular expression? Okay, so I have to put a capture group. Please? Please work. Oh my god. Huh? What? Please. Please let me replace. How do I put a new, you know what, whatever. Okay. How long did I take doing that? I'm looking, okay. So this is a chat packet. There's a thingy. There's my message. I think 97. Let's get CyberChef open. Let's open CyberChef. So let's put that. Let's do from decimal. Oh, it's that easy. Comma. Okay. Nope. What? No. Oh, it's right here. No, it's not there. Okay. So that's the thing. So it goes a certain length. Let's do this. Let's do another one with a different packet. So we're gonna do broadcast. So I think it's that one, right? I think it's that one. Okay. I think it's broadcast. Not too sure. So we refresh. Okay, let's just take out all the errors and do that. Okay, we got one already. Okay, we look into here, and then we replace this. This is the most annoying thing. Please replace all, please. It's the same thing. Okay. Whatever. Oh, it did nothing. Why? Why you do nothing? Oh, it's actually lowercase m. That's what it was, yeah. I think it was lowercase m. Lowercase m. You know what I should do? Is I could make this... I could make a way to parse the input or something. So like I don't have to recompile this every time I want to change something. That could be pretty cool. Pretty cool. So let's do that. Okay, we're gonna look at this one, and this is gonna take, I hope this doesn't break anything. Please don't break. Alright, I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna call this header. So it's gonna, we're gonna do that, and it's gonna be an int, because why not? Yeah, and then we're gonna do that, and then here I check. So the proof state. Yeah. Okay. So one thing that I will say here is I'm gonna console print that thing, so okay, so int string is, I don't know which one is which. Okay, so console log literal. Oh yeah. Console log literal. Okay, so here I'm gonna make it console log. Please work. Okay, and it could be working now. Maybe. Look at that. It said 2. Interesting. So let's do a different one. Let's do a... Oh, that's a 0. Oh, man. Alright, whatever. Let's do different... Can I do... Is there like a char point or something? Oh, is it char code? Is that a thing? Yeah. So I'm gonna do char code at 0B. Ooh. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. But I don't care about that. I want M. Why did it say 109? What the heck? What the heck? Come on, don't put the dots. Don't put the dots. Give me the actual code. Give me the actual code. timestamps. Should we do that? No. Alright, whatever. Alright. Oh, that's because it says 109, because that's like, yeah. Okay, so we have 109. 109, 209, so let's do calculador. So 209 has 2 ones. Oh, look at that. This is awesome. This is so awesome. Alright, so this is 17. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we don't have anymore because it got chopped off by Firefox. Yeah. So this is the message. So that's the message. Let me check the. Yeah. Okay. Let's do that. So let's find a diff between this one and this one, because why not? I don't want to do that. Actually, don't want to do that. The reason I don't want to do that is because these have indexes, and I don't know. Let's try it. Let's just try it. Let's try it. So let's do diff online, cause yep. Freaking bro, annoying goddamn. Okay, let's see. So yeah, that's obviously different. The beginning is the same. I don't want that to show up. Can I just do this real time or whatever? Where the heck is the differences? Give me my differences, bro. Why does it do this? Why does it do this? Oh my god, what is this? Okay, alright, whatever. So the first difference is at 198. The left one, so they're all different. Ooh. I didn't know that was a thing. They line up on this line exactly. You know, that could be a coincidence, right? There's I don't know, man. This one has a lot of 198s, so it could just be that. Oh my god, I can't talk. Whatever. Okay, so this was a string, and this was like a bunch of zeros. Okay, hold up. That's not a good comparison. That is not a good comparison. Let's do another one. This is the chat message. Dude, give me the oh my god. Alright. So okay, so they're 198 and stuff. You know what? 147 147 happens again. And 139. Yeah. So you know what? That probably does matter. So 198 is significant. Is there any more stuff? Oh, look at that. 659. Another 198. Another 198. That's kind of crazy, isn't it? What the heck? What? They follow like the... What? They follow the same-ish... No, that can't be true. That can't be true. Where's the 80? Where's the 80? Isn't there supposed to be a call to a function and then 80? Right? Where's that? Did what? Where'd it go? Where did it actually go? Alright, this is a chat message, right? So we got the chat message. So it's here at 400, 300. Oh, we're almost there. Okay, we got some stuff. What? Where's 80? Bruh. Hell no. Hell no. Where's 80? What? What? I'm trying to... Huh. I don't really see it. That's kind of weird, isn't it? That's kind of fishy. That... Oh, there's one here. So that one has one. Oh, look at that. So 318, 600. Ooh, this one. They're not the same. Here's the 318, 600. What? I just thought of something. What if they were... Okay, so this is single threaded, right? This is probably single threaded. But you know what's weird? There is some things that line up. So that makes me believe that there's like, I don't know, a little structure to it, at least. I mean, even these are the same. Like obviously there's gonna be some structure to it. But I feel like some scheduling is happening. You know what I'm saying? Some scheduling. I feel like some scheduling is happening. Cause how is it predictable? Like they're the same on these lines and then different on these lines. I mean, there's no 198s on this one, really, except for like here. But this one has more 198s. So I don't know about that. I don't know about that. What's with the What's with the... What is this? So this is the broadcast thing. Oh, this isn't even... I thought I was looking at the chat packet. I thought I was looking at the chat packet. I was like, what? Okay. I don't know what this is, by the way. I don't know what that is. You know what? I'm curious. I'm a curious cat. I actually do want to look at the chat. The chat package. So this is a chat, right? So this is chat. That's not chat. That's not chat. All right, let's get to real time. Put the chat in there. And please be chat. It's not the chat. The heck? The heck, man? The heck? Alright, whatever. So chat and then this one. Let's do that. Alright, so this is chat and this is the broadcasting. So, not surprisingly, the beginning is the same. And again, not surprisingly, there's like a 198 at the beginning of this one. This one, there is no 188 at the beginning. Because there's a lot of 198s in this one, for some reason. You know what I want to... You know what I want to do? I want to go... No, not yet, not yet, not yet. I was gonna say I'll put the statistics at the bottom of like how many index whatevers were like visited, but yeah, it doesn't matter. Alright, so car. So we got some stuff here, and then wow, 137. Then they line up, and then they line up, and then they're different for a long time. Oh my, no, that can't be a coincidence. Look at this. That can't not be a coincidence. 3 of them like that at the same index. Bro. That cannot be a coincidence. 274. This is weird. This is weird. Dude, I feel like there's some scheduling happening. Like, I don't know what to call it. I don't know what else to call it. Like, okay, either... Because the fact is that there's some fixed thing between both... Oh, you know what? This could just be packet related. This is just... Could be packet related. Like, duh. Duh, it's gonna be packet related. Okay. Bro, there's more. And this one got 307, this one got 198. Nah, bro, nah. Nah. No. Dude, why do they line up? They go periods of, like, not lining up, and then there's, like... Oh, well. Huh. There it just doesn't do anything, but... Dude. Look at this. What? Maybe it's by chance. Like, maybe these aren't packet related. Nah. I don't believe it. I think this is packet related. Maybe. Okay. Alright. Oh. You know what? I'm gonna go back to the top and I'm gonna look at these packets. And I'm gonna look at them and yeah. So I think bro, I don't know. So they become similar here. Why does this one have so many? Why did it bunch these up? That's kind of weird. Why did it do that? What if I do unified? Nope. 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 Yeah, but yeah, why did these get bunched up? Oh, it's to show because 132 is up here. Because they become the same here. So it like bunched these up. I guess there's more on this side, so I don't understand that. Maybe because I just put more. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's probably why. What does this do? I am going to add this so they match up on the lines. And except here, I'm gonna just do that. So, and I'm gonna do it again. So, there goes that. That's a chat. There goes this. That's the other one. Okay, let's see if it's bunching up. Still bunching up. Why do? Oh, because these are on different lines. Why are they on different lines? Oh, I think because it called a few things. Well, that makes sense now. That makes sense now. Okay. So here calls like 190, whatever. So 780. Bro, this is the crazy part, dude. I don't know what this is doing. I don't know what any of this is doing. Like, oh my god. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a little pre-processing. Okay. So let's go to VS Code and let's go to the workspace. I had a file called chat. I'll call it like chat packet log. And this time I can use, oh, whoops. Yeah, let's collapse those and be this, collapse that. So now we just have this. I want to remove the this one. So I'm gonna make a new like thingy. I think it's cut. Is that what it does? I don't remember. I think it's like delimiter equals comma space. Let me do something. Let's replace the comma space with a comma. There. Okay, so I'm gonna do cut delim equals comma and field equals 2. And actually I'm supposed to go into the workspace and then do that. Look at that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So I'm gonna do this into that show. Okay, and now I'm gonna use this script if it still works. Maybe. I don't know if it's gonna work. Whatever. Alright, let's just do this. And you know what, I need shell for Python. Okay, let's go to workspace. Let's paste our command. Let's get our file. And that's it. Ooh, look at that. I think it works. So we'll do this. And I'll call it 3. Okay. Goodness gracious. We have the code. Just like that. Just like that. So this is the packet parsing code. Kind of. Yeah. There's some stuff happening here. Stuff is happening. What does 198 do? Is that a thing? Does this? Let's see what 198 does, because that's used a few times. So we do this plus 8. So I can't help but imagine that this is like a index. I mean, it is an index. We're then referencing it. We do long. Oh, we're loading 1 long, which is like, should be 4 bytes, I guess. And loading it from XD. So is this like a temporary variable? Then XD, let me zoom in. I am like, okay. So yeah, and then just XD equals. Okay, so 198 and 139 are almost exactly the same. Like exactly. Like bar for bar, exactly the same. Except they do it on a different variable here. Yeah. I don't know about that. Alright, let me check my live stream again. Just want to make sure I didn't completely jack up the stuff here. Okay, cool. But you know what? I'm gonna show my cat real quick. I think she can be seen. Yeah, my cat. Look, she's like, oh, you can barely see. She's right there. She's like not moving. Oreo, are you sleeping? You're not sleeping. I see you. She's moving her ears. She can hear me. Wait, hold up. Is there a way to zoom into my cat here? Alright, hold up. I'm gonna try to zoom this. Oh yeah, you can see this now. Yeah, you can see her there. Oh, there she goes. Oreo, what you doing? What you doing there? I see. Bro, she's giving me the side eye. What is this? Oreo, what are you doing? Alright. Enough of that. Alright. Okay. That was necessary. By the way, that was necessary. Okay. Okay, so 198. Alright. So G seems to be very important. Excuse me. It's a pointer. So we increment it by 8. This one decremented by 16. Okay, let's find these. So we have G equals something, but not whatever. So G equals. Okay, I see. So some of them decrement, some of them increment. And okay, this one does stuff. This is incrementing. All right, I want to go to the beginning. Ooh, look at the beginning has a lot of this stuff. Interesting. So that's what happens to G. Okay, that's interesting. So can I expect G to just be going up and down by multiples of 8? Basically, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. So I think it would pay to know where G is in memory. So I don't know what that variable is yet. I don't know what it is yet. I might have to include that in a script. Yeah. Might have to include that. Let's see. So it says G and what? Okay, hold up. Oh, you know what? I can do this. I can do this because here says, you know, G and whatever. So here I can just break at 307 and then inspect it and then see, you know, figure out which one is G. Oh, that's gonna be annoying, isn't it? That is not portable. That is not sustainable. Because that variable is probably gonna change every time they build Arrasio to like a different build. So yeah. I mean, that's okay. That's really not too bad. I could check. I could script it. Like I could script it. Like I could do it manually, but I could also script it. So you know what? I still have to understand what it's doing. So I have to do it manually first. So let's do it manually. So yeah, let's go to like 198. Nah, let's actually not do that. Let's not do that. Let's go to like a really simple, like this one. We decrement it, and then we like do something. So that's 391. So that's cool. That happens a few times. So yeah, we can do that. We can do that. All right. So let's zoom out actually. So we gotta go to inject all. Nope, we gotta go here. Yep, and then we're gonna say, so this is a trace, and then I'm gonna say if index equals this, then we're going to breakpoint. And I'm gonna reset before I do that, I guess. Yeah, so let's reset. Let's do reset, and then let's do breakpoint. So that is there. So there we go. So I'm gonna do inject build. Okay, and so now I go to Arrasio, and we already hit a breakpoint. Okay, that's good. All right, let's figure that one out. Actually, I don't want to. You know what? That's actually not what I want. Not what I want. Yeah, I'm only gonna do it if this stuff. So yeah, I'll do it. Put it here. Okay. Threads, why so serious? Why so serious? Okay, so I'm gonna do this. Uh-oh. Oh, it's lagging. Oh my god. Why is it lagging? I gotta kill it. Dude, wow. That just blew up my computer. That really put a number in my computer. What the heck? Goddamn. Goddamn, bro. Alright, whatever. Why did that lag everything? I don't know. I really don't know. Is it because of this? You know, you hit the breakpoint. This is the reset after every thingy. What the heck? Alright, what if I comment this out and then do it? Go to sandbox. Let's open up the thing here. All right. I mean, it's not. It's. Oh, that's weird. Okay, it's back to not. That was weird. Alright, whatever. So we have a call stack. A lot of call stack. Oh, that's cool. It actually lets me know. it actually lets me know. It actually lets me know what came from here. So what is this? Handle that. Wow, Firefox, thank you. This is better. Firefox has a better debugger in this regard, because it actually tells me where it came from, you know, like this function call. Oh yeah, I don't have access to those, but yeah, this is a lot better than someone else. Some other function. Alright, that's cool. That's pretty cool. So I do want to see the WebAssembly though. That would be good to know. The WebAssembly. I don't know if it's gonna give me that actually. What? Don't tell me it doesn't have WebAssembly, bro. Come on. Come on now. Come on now. We hit the breakpoint. What about the WebAssembly? Nah, you gotta be kidding me. The WebAssembly. Maybe I have to refresh it with the WebAssembly open. Maybe that's it. Yeah, I hope that's it. I hope that's it. Okay, now it's just... What is it doing? It's lagging so hard. Dude. Poor computer, what is it doing? I'm lifting it so it has more airflow. That is crazy. What the heck is it doing? Come on. Come on. No, that's not what I wanted. Yep. Dude. It is lagging so hard. And it's not even printing anything. Oh my god, it's lagging. Dude, Firefox. I had my faith in you, Firefox. And this is what you give me? This is what you flipping give me? Come on. Come on, man. What the? It is so slow. Dude, no way. Can I pause it? Dude, that's crazy. That is crazy. Why is it lagging so bad? Dude. It's going crazy. It's going crazy right now. No, I gotta close this. Dude. My god. Okay, well now it's back to normal. It's back to normal now. Alright. Crazy freaking code, bro. Oh my god, dude, it doesn't let me do WebAssembly. Please? Why does it do this to me? Firefox, bro, come on. Is there nothing I can do? Okay, I think I have to wait for it to load the WebAssembly. And it's probably gonna take a while just because of how big that file is. That's crazy, bro. Why? I mean, at least it's not lagging right now, because I don't know, it's not lagging. Dude, it is chugging right now. I can hear the fans. Bro, I mean, it's not that, oh, no, it is chugging. 17%. 17%. What the heck? Bro, freaking Calc is using like no memory. That's what I like to hear, okay? That's what I like to hear. Dude, is this ever gonna load? Like, ever? Like, ever? Please load? It's still loading. It's still loading. Oh my god, I can't be doing this every single time. This will take way too long to debug. Okay, the reason I was using this instead of Google Chrome was because Google Chrome wasn't opening on my laptop. It's a little embarrassing, but yeah, I broke it. Okay, I broke it. It's because I'm running Linux and I broke it, so it doesn't work. So I just used Firefox. But I think Firefox has like a deficiency. Like, it can't, like, bro, how long is it gonna take to load this? Is there a thing I can do? Dude. I mean, what if I just leave it? What if I just leave it? Like, oh, I have an idea. Alright, I'm gonna save my laptop. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move there's a keyboard under it. That's probably harming the airflow. So I'm gonna put this on something else. I'm gonna put it on my calculator, because this thing is nice and flat. There we go. Okay, nice and flat. Hold up, okay. Alright, great. Alright, so it's not too wobbly. We've got some airflow. Okay. Bro, I mean, it's not working. Firefox? It ain't working now, Firefox. What can I say? It ain't working. It's... No. It says this is app.wasm. Bro, no it's not. No it isn't. Oh my god. Is there anything I can do? Maybe there's nothing I can do about that. Okay. Let's try searching it up first. Yeah. Can we do that? Can we do that? They intend to add breakpoints. Let's do this. Let's pick one of these. Yeah. Yep. Let's do this. All right. Look at that. We got a thing here. Alright, let's try to inspect the JavaScript. I mean the WebAssembly. Does this even use WebAssembly? Like, I want a WebAssembly, bro. What about this? This looks like it could have WebAssembly. What the heck? Where do I play the game? Yes. Yes, give me the... Oh, here we go. Yep. Oh, okay, it loads this one. Oh my god, it loads this one. Why does it load this one? Oh. Oh my god. This is awesome. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. That was really loud. But anyways, what can I say? So well, Firefox can do WebAssembly. It just takes forever on that huge file. It takes forever. Okay, let me try something. Let me do a refresh. See. Okay. That was pretty quick. Okay. I'm gonna put performance mode on and then try it again. Okay, let's try this with performance mode. Let's see if that does. No, this isn't the right one. Come on, get Firefox. Come on. Get your head in the game, Firefox. I don't think this is it. Oh yeah, I'm very sure this is not it. Yeah. Come on, dude. This isn't it. This is not it. Firefox, what are you up to, bro? Alright, let's see how quick this is. I've put my computer into performance mode. The laptop is in performance mode, so let's see how long that takes. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I don't know. I just don't know. Damn, bro, that's one of the downsides of this. Oh my god. Dude, how long is it gonna take? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna use Chrome. You know, should I use Chrome? Because look at it. Look, it's not... I mean, it's loading. Is there like a timer? Yeah, look, let me try to use like a timer. Is that a thing? That's not a timer. What the heck, dude? Is there like a Linux timer desktop app? KDE timer clock. Nix. Oops. What do I have, by the way? Do I have GNOME? I actually forgot what I have. Me forgot. Oh yeah, I got KDE Plasma. KDE Plasma. Okay. Okay, KDE Plasma. Next, KDE timer. Alright, whatever. Let's just see here. What is this, a clock? Is this a thing? Like, can I use this? I don't think I can. I don't know. Okay, whatever. KDE packages. Let's search up KDE packages. Clock. K clock. Plasma mobile. No. I don't want Plasma mobile. I want a freaking timer. Oh my god. I just want a timer so I can see how long this takes. Clock? Bro, why is clock? What the heck is Plasma mobile, dude? Bro. Maybe I should use it. I mean, maybe it still works. Whatever. I'm just gonna use the goddamn mobile clock that's meant for phones. Whatever. Okay. In you go. In you go. Indigo. Bro, it's still going. You know, why am I doing all this? I could have just put a timer for my phone. Could have just done it from my phone, bruh. Could have just done it from my phone, bruh. Can this go full screen, like, all the way? Okay. Oh. I can't be too loud, I just forgot. Bro, I have no water. I ran out of water. Okay, we have clock, right? K clock. Ooh. Oh, it does work. Look at that. So we got a stopwatch. This thing. Oh, it takes so long. It's still going, dude. What is it doing? What is it doing? This is not, like, this is taking too long. I don't even know what it's doing. Bro, and what is this here? Let's look at this. Isolated web code. It's using most of Firefox's CPU usage. Bro. Why is it like this? I actually don't know what to do now. Bro, I want to use app.wasm, but it doesn't let me debug. App.wasm. Wait, what is this? Huh? It's just one function. You know what? Whatever. It was loading for a long while, so now let's just Oh my god. It just goes crazy, dude. What is it doing? Firefox? What are you doing? What are you doing, Firefox? I don't know what it's doing. I have no clue what it's doing, but it's really, really slow. It's like really slow. You know what? This is so dumb, guys. This is really dumb. You know why it's really dumb? Because I could, what's it called? I could push this back here, make this one thingy, and then do it again. And there, now it's gonna break like it's supposed to. But yeah, it still doesn't give me the WebAssembly. No WebAssembly. Window poop, no. That's great. Bro, there's still no WebAssembly. Bro, okay, you know what? Screw this. Screw frickin' this, bro. I'm gonna try to open Google Chrome. No matter what happens. No matter what happens. Oh my god, there's so many programs. Okay. Let's try to, I mean, it's not working. I don't know why it's not working, but can I do this? Okay, let's unpin it. Can I do this? Will it? Bro, why? Why? Okay. D-message. I don't think anything's gonna show up on D-message. What is it? M? Nope. I was trying to find how to control it. Yeah. Okay. What was I doing? How do I? Let's put this in balanced. How do I? Okay. How do I do this? Oh my god. Okay. One of these is the correct one. It's probably the biggest one, right? 141. Let's do that. Let's go into there. What the? Oh, of course. All right. Okay, let's go here. Let's do that. What the heck, dude? Is it actually open? What? Chrome, bro. Get the freak out of here. Okay, I don't think. Never mind. 27204. Is that this one? Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. No, bro. What? 27204. Oh my god. Why are you doing this to me? Google Chrome. On another computer? What? Oh, that's not what that does. Where's my host name, bro? I don't remember. Where is my host name? Isn't it ThinkPad? Oh my god, I broke Chrome. Oh my god. It says you can unlock the profile and relaunch Chrome. How do you unlock a profile? Okay, you know, hold up. Isn't that PS? I already did that. What? How do you unlock the profile, dude? Oh, I did change the host name. So I gotta remove. Singleton? What the heck is Singleton? Where does that go? I think it's here, right? Share. Config. Is that no, Google? Is it here? Chrome? Nope. You know what? Let me just. Okay, there's no Singleton in here. I don't think so. Oh my god. I'm trying to put my chair down. Whatever. So what is it in temp? Is it in temp? Hold on. Where is the source? Where's the source? Where does it go? Okay. We got hashers. We got okay, we got an install. We got an install. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Is this another thing? Oh, it says update applications. I don't know though. I don't think it's in applications though. I mean, I don't think it's in here. I don't think it's there. Okay. I have a better idea. What if flipping? What if we do the singleton thing, but we do it in temp? Permission denied. Okay. Oh my god, I don't know why. Bro, why is it complaining? What? How do you do this? How do you do this? How do you do this? John Rector. Sounds familiar. Sounds familiar. We'll crash without. That's great. That's how real work is done. Alright. Alright. Okay. So this is building it. So wait, this is install? So unpack. Oh, cause I don't think they build it, right? Yeah, I don't think they build it. Okay. So this is Darwin. I don't think that's me. I don't think I do that. So we have Linux. Yeah. Okay, what is this? So we've lib get exe install substitute. Okay, here's a bunch of icon stuff. Okay, here's a make wrapper. So I think I'll have to find my information here. Here's a bunch of flags. I think the path is what matters. I think that's what matters, right? It says make wrapper. Yeah. Okay. How do we? I don't know. You know what? How to trace file reads Linux. I'm gonna have to trace. Trace. Is that what I'm gonna do? Can I do that? Is that a thing? So I'm gonna do trace Google. Oh my god. Oh, here it is. I found it. I think I found it, at least. .config. So... okay, hold up. Let me do strace. Let's do singleton. Can I do that? So I do this rep singleton. That did not grab singleton. That got everything. Alright, whatever. Anyways, so let's go into there. So new tab. I go home. Got .config. And let's go into the stuff. So let's do find. Spelled that wrong. What? Oh. So what are these? These are hard links. Are those hard links or soft links? I always forget. I think those are soft links because they got full privileges. Yep. Ingle. Whatever. Alright, let's do that. Okay. Okay. Seems like it might work now. Maybe. Google Chrome. Hey, there we go. Wow. Oh my god, why is it opening stuff? Get the heck out of here. Stop opening stuff. Alright. I just want to see if it's working. So here I have this, which I think is working. Let's see. Oh, it is working. Alright, let's open up the thingy. And it paused. Oh my god, it loads it instantly. Like, as if to piss me off, bro. Just to instantly load. Of course it instantly loads, bro. Of course it loads instantly. Okay, well that's good. I mean, that's good. Let me pin that now that it's working again. I didn't know about that bug. That was weird. So what is this? So hold up, let's jump. Okay, so we're 513, right? Okay. Let's go in and let's wait a little bit because it's loading. What the heck? How far is this? Ooh, oh, we missed it. Oh my god, it's so close to the beginning. What the heck? You know what? I'm just gonna copy this. I'm gonna copy a line above it, just so we can. Yeah, okay. So here we got this, and it does thing into here. So yeah. It's variable 6. So what we're gonna do is go to variable 6, copy that, and then zoom out a little bit. We're gonna need the memory, so yeah, we popping in the memory. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? There's stuff. There is stuff here. And it has M's in it for some reason. 64. This is a pointer though, right? I don't know. Alright, let's step a little bit. Dude, where is that instruction? Oh my god, I just passed it. God, right, why does it do that? Wait, what does variable 6 equal now? An increment. Oh, it went up here. Huh. So it loaded this value. Is that what it did? What does it do again? What does it do again? Is it 307? What the heck? I'm on 391. Of course, 139. Alright. So it does subtract, and then it does XD equals. Oh, it just loads. Okay. So this loads into XD. And it decrements by 8. Okay, why was I doing that again? I was doing that to find what G was, which is. Am I still visible? I'm trying to make this good here. I think I'm still visible. Does it seem short? It's kind of weird. Whatever. Alright. Yeah, so it decrements by 8, and then loads 4 byte thingy into here. You know what? Now I could probably put this back to where it was last time, because Google Chrome doesn't play no games. Okay, Google Chrome doesn't play no games. We can actually, I don't know, I feel like it won't just instantly crash if I do this. Okay, well now it's, I think it plays some games, like a little bit. Play some games, alright. Okay, so let's just do that. Alright, a little laggy. That's the downside for Google Chrome. It's a little laggy on the console. When the console's open, it's like a little laggy. What the heck was I doing again? I did last something, export cha-cha. And I did m.char. Boom. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. And it's not lagging immensely. So that's good. So let's jump out of these. Wait, god damn it. Oh, I did the wrong thing. The wrong thing. Stop breaking. Oh wait, this is actually good. Never mind. Okay, so we're in 513. Jump into that. Now we're in. Okay, I think it's loading. Yeah. It's loading. At least it's responsive. Oh my god, dude, this thing is like. Okay. Let's put a breakpoint right here and just. I don't know. We don't want a breakpoint there, actually. I don't want a breakpoint. So variable 6 is that. Where's the freaking. Oh, it's right here. I was like going crazy looking for this thing, dude. This is so tiny. I'm gonna do this, cause yeah, I think I have to. I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, so this is gonna be like this. No, don't do that. Okay. This is the weirdest. Alright, this is the OG debugging setup. This is how I had it back in the day. Alright. So here 4 bytes is these right here. So it says here what is it? That's 64, right? 4 bytes. I'm going blank, dude. 8 bits times 4. Oh, it's 32. What? That doesn't seem. What? 8 times 5. Okay, now I'm confused. Huh? Okay, 64 divided by 8 is 8. So this is 8 bytes. And this is 4 bytes. Isn't a long, like, wait, it says it's 4 bytes. Or 8 bytes. Okay. Okay. I'll take your word for it. So it's gonna load this number into 127. Right? 14208. It's It's already the same number. Oh my god, I hate this thing. Why does it do this to me? Why you do this to me? Okay, it's 127. I just have to look at 127. Alright. It just jumps around like crazy. Alright. Alright, whatever. What? 127 turned into 0? I don't understand that. And why can't I see the full thing? Okay. That actually makes sense, because if you go back, 8 before this is like here, and this is 0. So yeah, so I guess that would make sense, because here, What I do? 391. Yeah, it subtracts 8 and then it loads along into this. So yeah. Okay. Okay. You know what I'm gonna probably do? I'm gonna make a primitive. Not today though, because it's getting pretty late actually. So yeah, I'm gonna make a primitive. That will be used in here, not here. This one before branch. Okay, this primitive can be used anywhere, it doesn't matter, but what it's gonna do is something like this. Special get local, right? Get local. And like get local 2. 8. Yeah, special. No, I just do this. Okay. So I want to make a primitive like this, where this gets replaced with the instruction to do exactly this. Gets the local 2, puts it right here. So yeah, I'm gonna write that down. I'm gonna put that somewhere. So I'm gonna put that here. So that should go somewhere. Okay, so I'll do this. Int. It's top on the to-do. Okay, so it's gonna be something like this, for example. So I don't know. Local get 2, straight up. That's straight up what it's gonna be. That's it. And the reason I want to do that is just for debugging purposes. So I can print this variable out whenever I want to. So yeah. Show yeah. Okay. Okay. You know what, let's take a look. So let's go to inject all, which I minimized for some reason. Do I have... Okay. I should make one of these 2. Big funk num. Yeah, this should return the big funk number, so you can use it in the inject all thing. Yeah. Okay. Alright, I'll call this to do, I'll give it a name. Locals that is required for this. So yeah. I'm gonna call this make or implement a primitive or something. I'll call it like compiler primitive. I don't know, bro, what to call it. So we can debug. Alright. That is a thing. So yeah, that is a thing. Alright, so I'm gonna commit this. Yeah, done for today. I don't know what to call this. Gotta do some stuff. Add stuff to do. Alright. Okay. Alright. I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah.